guarantee it against any quote for the same features.
Syclone Sunday?
Syclone Sunday.
Syclone Sunday, baby. Shocker, we need gas.
Good morning, America. That doesn't fit.
Good morning, America, where my headliner has gotten worse.
God. Dude, it really has. Like, it's hanging on by edges. Ah!
Sorry. You go for a ride over there. I am.
Yeah, I can't even put my seatbelt on. Still. Go get coffee. What size coffee do you want?
Not a jumbo like you got last time.
You want a 20? You want a 24?
Sure. In between, I guess.
What? Look at that. Service.
Serious. Are you alright?
Got it.
6 minutes later.
It sits so close to the dash.
Syclone Sunday.
The last conquered cars of coffee that we're gonna go to. Oh yes, so update for the channel. We were in North Carolina last week looking at houses. He was interviewing for jobs. Stayed with a friend. He ended up getting the job that he wanted, and we also ended up getting the house that we wanted as we were heading down there. There was another one that we really wanted, but that ended up not working out. But we got the house that we wanted.
So our last week in New Hampshire, or probably the second week of October, maybe-ish.
Yeah.
We got off the plane and we were here for 24 hours and...
We already wanted to go back.
I
look like alfalfa. What is going on back here?
Oh, darling.
Oh, darling. Those, both of them broke their necks. The kids in that van, they were like,
Syclone.
Syclone.
Like, I didn't even realize we're cruising at like 80 miles an hour.
Dude, we're getting past. What?
We're cruising at 80. This doesn't even feel like we're doing that. It feels like we're 60 in this thing.
Yeah.
And everyone's passing us.
I do have to say, our rental car in North Carolina was a Nissan Altima, and I understand why you guys speed. The job that he got is like a 20-25 minute drive from the place that we go, so.
Yep. Right in Raleigh, North Carolina, baby. That's where we're gonna be.
And I'll be working from home, so.
Must be nice. That's nice. It's nice of your company to let that happen.
It was great of them.
What a gal. You're just so perfect. That they were like, oh, we like Taylor.
Oh no, it's just that I do my job and I do it well. You make more down there.
Yeah, weird.
We get more house for what we're paying.
Utilities are cheaper.
Utilities are cheaper.
It's a nicer area.
Food is cheaper.
Food is cheaper.
The highways aren't busy all the fucking time.
And the highways are nice.
The highways are nice. They're big enough to handle all the traffic if there is any.
They don't salt the roads and it doesn't snow like it does here.
It's crazy.
Oh, babe. RS6 right next to us.
What? Oh, it's got HREs.
Does he?
Yes.
Oh my god, he doesn't have Vossens on it? I heard those are really great wheels. Really rare too.
Oh yeah, Lawson's. Super, super clean build. I love your car.
Oh, God. Love it. The one thing I don't actually like on those, though, is the rear bumper. Like, it sticks out. Like, the rear bumper looks wide compared to the rest of the car, almost. It's blocky.
I like that.
You do?
The only thing I don't like about the RS6 Avant is the gas gauge. It just looks so chintzy and cheap for such an expensive car. Like, you couldn't have designed the gas gauge differently. I say that, but I don't own an RS6 Avant, so.
You guys cool if I take that spot right there?
Yeah, absolutely, dude.
Thank you.
I don't own it. Shit.
Perfect.
Perfect.
An SS.
I really like those. Not a Chevy person. But I fuck with an SS.
I almost got an SS, and honestly, I regret not getting it.
You probably like it. You probably be quick by now.
Oh, for sure. It's a wild ass detailing rig. Look at the puppy. Oh, it's a new EV Hummer.
Howdy.
I like the green. Ooh.
Yeah, me too. Shit.
Yeah. Only the V2s are matte black, I'm pretty sure. Watch where you're walking.
Sorry.
Oh my god, it's an R35 GTR. That's so rare.
What's up, bro?
Ice cream.
Is that an Aventador?
Brr.
Really cold.
That breeze is a little chilly, yeah.
Aerial Adam. This one, you're sick.
You're pretty sick. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sudden stop. Babe.
What's up, buddy? Oh, hey, what's going on, man? How are you? It's good to see you. See you too. Came all down here for this? Yeah. Nice. It's not that far. From Northwood? No, it's probably like. I took the Mark 1. It's a nice cruise this morning. Oh, did you? Yeah. Yeah, doing the one. She's gone. She's down at the Cape this weekend. Her family lives down there. She cruised down. I went back and forgot with Dad yesterday. There's a double dance called the Easy. Wow. Thanks to that. I was one person on this tour.
There's so many people. Oh my gosh.
That's actually pretty sick.
Didn't even. Yeah.
I personally love these cars.
I'm. Eh.
Right-hand drive.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Those seats are sick.
Yeah. I like the gas end of them. They kind of like look like a Galant almost.
Yeah.
The big ring.
Right.
Car.
Just parked casually.
It's funny of them. Just get here? Yeah. Best bet is to go down and walk up Main. But these are all like Revelstoke off.
I just love this color. It's a beautiful color.
Yep, they're real. Wow.
That's wild.
Yep, these are wheels. You honestly probably bought these wheels back in like they weren't expensive back in like 08, 09. Now they're literally like 15 to 20 grand for the wheels.
That's insane.
Yeah, I always wanted this. I like this color a lot.